In a quiet little house on Maple Street, a playful golden retriever named Max wagged his tail eagerly as he spotted a curious grey tabby cat named Whiskers peeking through the window. Max's joyful bark echoed through the room, prompting Whiskers to leap down and cautiously approach his new friend. As they drew closer, a sense of curiosity replaced their initial apprehension, and soon they were nose to nose sniffing each other in greeting. With a playful bark, Max decided it was time to invite Whiskers into his world, leading him outside to the sunny backyard.